Good morning everyone. As you can see, this is Samsung Galaxy A05s. The screen is cracked, so we're going to replace it. To replace it, you need to have the right tools and the right part. I always do like to have official service pack, which is original, and now we're going to replace it. Nowadays, most of the Samsung A series and S series comes with the actual frame, means the housing. Means we're going to pull out the back cover and then we're going to get access into the mid frame, remove the mid frame, pull out all the components, include power button, vibrator, the actual motherboard, battery, secondary board, flex cable, speaker, and we're going to put it back, reassemble to the new housing. Okay, so first thing is first, what are you going to do? We're going to blow some hot air through heat gun or hair dryer, and we're going to take out the back plate. The back plate is acrylic, but it's kind of in between film and acrylic plastic. Okay, so it's not that crackable, it's kind of flexible, but still be careful. Don't put the plastic flat opening tool too much in there, otherwise you're going to damage the actual flex cable, especially the home button one. Okay, then we're going to remove all the screws that you can see from the mid frame, and then the mid frame would be ready to take out, pull out from the actual housing. Okay, all the screws are same, so feel free to leave it anyway, you don't have to keep it organized. And when you spudger it, be careful when you get to next to the power button and the volume button, because those buttons are really sensitive. If you push little deeper, it might going to damage all the buttons, and then you have to end up with failure. Okay, so be careful. By the way, to make this video shorter, I tried my best to remove a lot of obstacles in between the shooting. So if you want to do that, make sure 10-15 minutes wouldn't be enough. You definitely need 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, it depends on how much experience you do have, and especially when you use any sort of flat metal tool, be careful, because those are sharp, that might damage the paint, the actual color, and also other components. Very careful. I do use regularly, so for me it's okay. As you can see, the mid frame has removed. Now the actual main board should have one screw, which is black one, and also the secondary board also should have another one. First is first, we're going to remove the battery connector to keep everything safe. Now we're going to disconnect all the flex connector, and then we're going to remove the battery. There is a pull tab, so you can pull it and that should come out. So when you pull it, be firm. Okay, if you never done, then watch the video carefully and do that. As you can see, this one came off completely. And now the secondary board. Those PCB, I mean the actual board, are so thin, means fragile. So when you pull it, just be gentle and careful. Okay, especially when you play with any metal tool, you have to be very careful. As you can see here, we almost done. And once the main board removed, then we'll take out the ear speaker, loudspeaker, and the vibrator, and we'll put back everything. So on the second step of this video, it's going to be much more faster, because we're going to repeat whatever we done here. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. If you do have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section, and if you think the video does help, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.